Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Maya and today we are going to talk about at the restaurant.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
I am so excited about this topic, Maya. I love food.
Me too, Leo. Eating at a restaurant is always fun.
Yes, it is. How often do you go to a restaurant, Maya?
I go to a restaurant maybe once a week, usually on weekends. What about you?
I go 2 times a week, sometimes because I'm lazy to cook.
I understand. Cooking takes a lot of time.
It does. Today, let's help our listeners learn how to order food in English.
That is a wonderful idea. It can be scary to order food in a new language.
Yes, but we will make it very easy today.
Great. Let's start from the beginning. You walk into a restaurant. What happens first?
Well, usually a person meets you at the door.
Yes, that person is called a host or a hostess.
Exactly. And they usually ask a very common question.
They ask, how many people are in your party? Or table for how many?
Table for how many? That is a very important phrase.
Yes, it just means how many people want to sit together.
So if I'm with you, Maya, I can say, table for 2, please.
Perfect. Table for 2, please. It is simple and polite.
What if I'm alone, Maya?
Then you can say, table for 1, please.
Easy. Then they walk you to your table.
Yes, and they give you the menu.
Oh, the menu, my favorite book.
Yes, the food book.
What do you look at first on a menu, Maya?
I always look at the drinks first. I'm usually thirsty when I arrive.
Me too. The waiter or waitress comes to the table quickly.
Right. The waiter is a man and the waitress is a woman.
Yes. Today, many people also just say server for both.
Oh, server is a good word. It is very modern and easy to remember.
So, the server comes and asks, "Can I get you started with something to drink?"
Can I get you started with something to drink? That is a bit long for beginners, right?
Yes, it is. Let's break it down. It just means, what do you want to drink first?
Ah, okay. So I can answer simply, water, please.
Yes, or I would like a glass of water, please.
I would like. That is a great phrase to use at a restaurant.
Yes, it is very polite. I would like a Coke. I would like an orange juice.
Let's teach our listeners a small grammar point here.
Yes, let's do it.
We use I would like instead of I want.
Why is that, Maya?
Because I want can sound a little bit rude to the server. I would like is much softer and nicer.
That is so true. We want to be nice to the people who make our food.
Exactly.
Okay, so we have our drinks. Now we look at the food menu.
The menu usually has different sections.
Yes, the first section is often called appetizers.
Appetizers. That's a long word. Can you explain it, Leo?
Sure. Appetizers are small plates of food you eat before the main food.
Oh, like soup or salad or French fries?
Yes, exactly. Small things to share or eat while you wait.
Sometimes people also call them starters.
Yes, starters, because you start with them. That's easier to remember.
I love starters. I love fried chicken wings.
Chicken wings are delicious.
After the starters, we have the main course.
Main course, or entrees. This is the big plate of food.
Like a steak or pasta or a big burger.
Yes, this is the main food you eat for lunch or dinner.
What is your favorite main course, Leo?
Oh, I love Italian food, so I usually order pizza or lasagna. What about you?
I love seafood, so I often order grilled fish or shrimp.
That sounds delicious. Now, let's practice ordering the main course.
Okay, the server comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, what do you say?
You can say, "Yes, I am ready. I would like the grilled fish, please."
Perfect. What if you need more time to choose?
Oh, that happens to me a lot. I'm very slow to choose.
Me too. So if you need time, you can say, "No, not yet. Can we have a few more minutes, please?"
Can we have a few more minutes, please? That is very useful.
Yes, the server will say, "Sure, take your time," and they will walk away.
That is very relaxing. No stress.
Let's pause for a second. Dear listeners, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Do you like pizza, burgers, or sushi? Please write your answer in the comments. We want to know.
Yes, please tell us. We love reading your comments.
Okay, Maya, let's go back to our conversation. We are ordering food now.
Sometimes when you order food, the server will ask follow-up questions.
Oh, yes, like if you order a steak.
Right, they will ask, "How would you like that cooked?"
How would you like that cooked? This can be confusing for beginners.
Yes, there are 3 main ways to answer this for steak.
Let's teach them. The first one is rare.
Rare. That means the meat is still very pink and soft, cooked for a short time.
The second one is medium.
Medium. That means it's in the middle, a little pink, but cooked more.
And the third one is well done.
Well done. That means it is completely cooked, no pink meat inside.
I like my steak medium. How do you like your steak, Maya?
I like it well done. I don't like pink meat.
That is fine. Everyone is different.
What about side dishes? The server might ask about that too.
Yes, side dishes or just sides.
What are sides, Leo?
Sides are smaller food items that come with your main plate. For example, if you order a burger, it might come with French fries or a salad.
Ah, so the server might ask, "Would you like fries or salad with that?"
Exactly. And you just choose one. Fries, please.
French fries are always a good choice.
Yes, but salad is healthier.
Shh, don't talk about health at a restaurant, Leo.
Okay, sorry.
Now let's talk about regular and irregular verbs we use at a restaurant.
Oh, a little learning section. Excellent.
Let's look at the verb to order. Is it regular or irregular?
To order is a regular verb. In the past tense, we just add ed.
So it becomes ordered. For example, yesterday I ordered pizza.
Yesterday, I ordered pizza. Perfect.
What about the verb to eat?
Ah, to eat is irregular. The past tense changes completely.
Yes, it changes from eat to ate.
Ate. For example, we ate a big dinner last night.
Another important verb is to drink. It is also irregular.
Right. Drink becomes drank in the past tense.
Drink. For example, he drank 3 glasses of water.
Wow, he was very thirsty.
Yes. And one more verb, to pay.
To pay is also irregular. It becomes paid.
Paid. P-A-I-D. For example, she paid for the food with cash.
This is very useful grammar for our beginners. Let's practice saying the past tense words together slowly.
Okay. I say present, you say past. Ready?
Ready.
Order.
Ordered.
Eat.
Ate.
Drink.
Drank.
Pay.
Paid.
Wonderful. You did great, Leo.
Thank you. Now, let's go back to the restaurant. The food arrives at the table.
The server puts the plates down and usually says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal. That is a very kind phrase. It means, I hope you like the food.
How do we answer that, Leo?
You can just smile and say, thank you.
Yes, thank you is perfect.
Then you start eating. But what happens if there's a problem?
Oh, like if the food is cold or if you get the wrong food?
Yes, for example, you ordered chicken, but they brought you fish.
Oh no, that is a mistake.
What do you say to the server politely?
You can wave your hand gently to call the server, then say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Always start with that. It is very polite.
Then you can say, "I think there is a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the fish."
I think there is a mistake. That is a very soft way to say something is wrong.
Yes, it is much better than saying, "You gave me the wrong food."
Yes, don't shout. The server will usually say, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I will fix that for you right away."
Right away means very fast.
Yes, and they will bring you the correct food. What if you need more water or another drink during the meal?
When the server comes by, you can say, "Can I have another water, please?"
Or, could I get a refill, please?
Oh, refill. That is a great word. What does refill mean, Leo?
A refill means to make your glass full again with the same drink.
In many American restaurants, refills for water, soda, and iced tea are free.
Wow, really? That's amazing. In some countries, you have to pay for every drink.
Yes, so it's good to know. You can ask, "Are refills free?" if you're not sure.
That is a smart question to save money. Okay, now we are finished eating the main course. We are full and happy.
But wait, there's one more section on the menu.